Learn your kids ABCD rhyming song with A to Z alphabet. Let us start. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for neck, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger, umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yacht,